Lahat ng processed food. Pagkain sa labas, out. Sweetener, out. Ganito yan.
Pag-start na ako na.
Oh. Pagka nag-start ka, strict, tapos hindi ka na kumain ng mga sugar food, normal yan. You need to address that. Why? Lecture ko. Complication of uncontrolled sugar. CKD, kidney dialysis. Stroke, pwede kayo ma-stroke. Heart attack. Blindness. Bowel sheet. Taas ng HbA1c. Huwag ka magalala, ang HbA1c naman, ito yung reflection of 3 months ago. So, ibig sabihin talagang nagwalwal ka noon. Kung nahihirapan ka, enroll sa program, tuturuan ka namin. Pero kung kaya mo, go. If you're going to change your lifestyle, huwag mo muna isipin appearance. Appearance, panlabas lang. You need to address your sugar. Pagka na-control yan, susunod yung appearance. Paano gaganda? Paano gaganda? Fats. Gaganda. Collagen. Chicken feet, bulalo. Natural collagen.